Every diamond carries a story forged over time. All the way from the Western Cape, Masimini Distributors, a diamond distributor. When you hear the word diamond, what does that mean to you?
It means money, wealth, ukukhanya ebomini, because diamond shines.
Because diamond shines. At this point in your journey, what does being diamond represent in your life?
It represents our achievements and financial freedom.
As we celebrate 28 years of Butla Brands, what words of encouragement would you like to share?
Butla Brands has been existing for 28 years, and it's been developing people through quality and empowerment. And I would say to our communities that they must remember that a negative environment is the common barrier of success. Therefore, the people need to stay away from the negativity and ensure that they grab Butla Brands opportunity. Then they will stay away from poverty.
Sure. Negative environment, a barrier to success. What has the journey, like this journey, taught you about yourself?
This journey has taught us that challenges breed success, and we have learned that to overcome the challenges, we needed to stay honest, committed, and dedicated to achieve our goals.
We thank you very much for reminding us again that indeed challenges breed success. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you for living the values, leading with purpose, and shaping the legacy of Butla Brands. This is what 28 years of impact looks like.